Okay, guys, I want to call this part 2 of the video that I was doing earlier. So this is part 2. I want to provide proof, guys, of the last video that we just did, which is incredible. I want to add proof. The Millionaire Mailers continue to send in payments, guys. And I wanted to add up the receipts for today, and I'll give you the total for today from the previous video. So this is part 2 of the previous video. Guys, this is the last payment proof for today. If you want to see payment proof, guys, for what has already came in, is on the part 1 of this video. This is part 2. Notice this came in August. Guys, they sent this out August the 24th, and today is August 26th. So let's open this thing up and see what we got in the middle here. All right. All right, the Millionaire Mailer. Continue to rock out payments, guys. Let's see what's in there. Guys, I've been trying to make this same video for like the 3rd time today. I've been so busy, guys. So I apologize for any blunders in the video, but hey, this is real. This is live. This is why it's coming, guys. I'm going to cut people's information. $500 money order has come in for the Millionaire Mailer, and guys, this comes in on a daily basis. We are stoked. We're excited about this program, guys, and what it's doing is continuing to just grow in leaps and bounds. Guys, I would encourage you to get with the person who introduced you this information and get started. We're going to add up our receipts for today, and I'll give you the totals, guys, right now. Let me go here. Again, guys, I showed proof in the previous video, and we're going to give you the receipts for today. We're going to go with that. 50, 40, 25, 100, 100, 10, plus another 50, plus $500 payment. You're looking at $875 on a Monday. Folks, is your job paying you $875 on a Monday? In one day, guys, this can be your new reality. The sky's the limit. Again, guys, reach out to the person that got you in front of this information. Get a hold of this website, this brand new website, guys, our postcards that will take people to your lead capture page. The lead capture page will do all the follow-up, the selling, the telling, the explaining. Folks, the conference call will convince people to sign up with you. If you can mail a flyer, if you can mail a postcard, remain consistent, guys, with the program. The sky's the limit, and you can explode your income in these programs. Guys, the list company that we're currently using now is called Wilson's List, and I'll take you there. Guys, if you need leads for any program that you're currently in, I would encourage you to try the Wilson's List, and I'll take you there. I'll leave the link below the video. Any mail order program that you're using, that's what has made the Millionaire Mailer so successful over the years. This is the magic formula. This is the secret sauce that has helped us to be wildly successful in this program. It's absolutely amazing as to what you can do in these programs and what you can get accomplished, and you're helping other people. Zig Ziglar said it best, guys. This is attraction marketing. You help enough people in life get what they want, and you can have everything in life that you want. Folks, Wilson's List. I would highly recommend that you buy your leads from Wilson's List. They have continued to work for me over and over and over again, guys. I have seen anywhere from $100 days, $500 days, $1,000 days utilizing these lists and more in one single day. So I'm excited, guys. Mail order season is we are getting ready to get started. It explodes this time of year all the way through the week of Christmas. We take a break 2 weeks during Christmas, or 1 week during Christmas. Right after Christmas, guys, we're going straight into tax season. It explodes again, and we're off to the races. Are you partnered in this program? Guys, I would advise you to get a part of this program and get started today. Millionaire Mailer is rocking, guys, and I'll bring you some more updates as they come forth. Get started today, guys, and bye for now until the next video.